YouTube was good. You already know who it is, no need for an introduction. I am back with yet another one. Remember about, I don't know, 5 videos ago, I installed the Advanblack carbon fiber handguards. And I bought the Illumi Guard lights that go inside of the handguards, but I didn't install them that day because I didn't have time. I've been procrastinating, and I finally decided today I was gonna make that happen, right? So as you can see, I already have the fairing off, and I took the headlights off. They're sitting right here just resting on the front fender. This won't be like a step-by-step install, more so me just kind of bring you guys along with me as I install these on my bike. The plan of action is this. We are going to take the front fairing off, which we've already done. We disconnected the headlights, which we've already done. We are also going to alcohol wipe the inside of the handguards so that these can stick on properly. I'm then going to stick these on to the handguards, route these wires under the fairing. There's a hole right here where the wiring from the center of the bike, where the battery is, the battery terminal is. The wiring from that inside this fabric woven type casing or protection. So you follow that actual casing. I'll show you guys if I can. Up into this hole that's behind the bracket for the headlights, bring the wires through, route them up, connect them to the custom dynamics turn signals so they can work simultaneously. Like I said, I won't be showing you guys the step-by-step process per se, but I'll just be taking you guys along with me. I am going to be installing the Advanblack Illumi Guard LED sequential turn lights in the carbon fiber Advanblack handguards. Y'all stay tuned.
Red line. Ricky! That light. Ricky red line, hit the gas, no break time. Lights flash, big screen, yeah, it's showtime.
All right, so I'm just gonna wipe it down with the alcohol wipes real quick. As I'm doing that, I'm gonna pop these rubber grommets out, like that. And like that. Wipe it all down on the inside, just to make sure the 3M adhesive can stick properly. All right, now I'm just gonna do a little quick dry fit to make sure everything is squared away. And yes, I am installing these on the actual bike. All of the videos that I've seen have installed the lights without the handguards being on the bike. But because I already installed the handguards, this is how I'm gonna do it. I'm not gonna take them back off the bike. I'm just going to install the lights as is. Score it up a little bit. Just kind of activate it, agitate it. What's up, man? Oh, appreciate you, my man. Thank you, thank you. All right, let's peel this bad boy. Let's get ready to stick it on. That. I need to be careful not to hit the Flow Motorsport levers here. So let's see. There we go. And then give it a solid push for about 20 to 30 seconds. All right, so just installed the lights. That's how they look on the back. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side, and I'm gonna get back with y'all. All right, I'm gonna do my best to show you guys, but I got the wires routed here, zip tied it there, zip tied it there. That's all I've done so far as zip ties. But I want to show you guys where I routed this if I can. If you look where the wires go, the squiggly wire, look where that's routed. You route it through there. There's a hole that will eventually bring you through this hole. You can see the wire coming through the bracket right there. There's a hole back there And you can bring the wire through there, route it through there. And this is the wire right there. So I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side, and we're gonna get this buckled back up, baby. The wires are now routed through the front fairing, and I got them routed behind the headlight bracket. You don't want those getting away. You don't want to accidentally screw those and pinch the line, anything like that. So they are located behind this bracket. So at this point, we need to connect the wires for the Illumi Guards to the custom dynamics turn signals, utilizing the connecting wires provided by Advanblack, like so. Male into the female, like that. Male into the female, like that. I'm gonna zip tie all of this just to kind of clean it up, but let's do a quick test of the right handguard. There we go. Let's try the turn signal. Looks real nice. Looks real nice. And as you can see, they go back to the white, the bright white. So let me do the other side, and I'm gonna button this all back up, and I'll show you guys the end result. Finally got done with installing the Illumi Guard handguard lights. I'm gonna show you what they look like. It's well into the evening now. Had to run a few errands, so some time passed by, so there's no more sunlight. That's actually kind of perfect for what I'm about to show you guys. So let's see what these lights look like. As you guys can see, these are the Illumi Guard lights for the Advanblack handguards. Super bright. Let me go ahead and turn on the hazards so you can see it flashing. I have the hazards on, and as you can see, they're sequential. Trust me, the same thing is going on the other side. I just don't want to expose you guys to the bright headlights, but you can see them. They look good, man. Match really well with the custom dynamics amber light. Looks really good though. Okay, y'all, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you guys. And if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. That helps the channel out a lot, and I would truly, truly appreciate it. It's your boy, Ricky Redline. I am out.